Adobe had just released its latest update in Premiere Pro, and that is 22.2, and it has introduced the most amazing feature, and that is remix tool. So does this remix tool really works? First of all, let me tell you that what it does. The remix tool automatically resize or expands or contracts any music track. So it is based on the artificial intelligence and you don't have to do anything. Earlier, what we used to do, we used to expand or cut the audio track according to our sequence length. But now Adobe claims that with this tool, you don't have to do that manual task anymore. All you have to do, just use this tool. So let's find out whether the claims of Adobe are true or not. Let's find out. So in the Premiere Pro, I have the sequence, and you can see this sequence is around 19 seconds and 21 frames long. So now I need to place a audio track on this and background music. So for this purpose, I'm using this uplifting epic trailer. So background, so this is a little lengthy, so let me just drop it over here, and the total length of this track is 2.23. If I have to do this manually, I'll just drag my playhead over here and cut the sequence, delete the rest of the part, and then I will just have to reframe it or create the keyframes and lower down its volume so that it does fade out. So now you can see this is how it looks. Alright, is there anything wrong with this one? No, but sometimes when you have the complicated beats, this doesn't sound proper. Now let's find out how this remix tool works in Premiere Pro. So for that purpose, let me just go to over here in the tools panel. So let me show you. This is the ripple edit tool, and if you just press and hold, you will find this new tool, remix tool. Just click on this and that would be selected, and now you need to just go to the end of your clip and click and just resize it according to your sequence, and look over here, it does the clip analysis, and within seconds it's going to perform that magic, and it's done. So let's see over here, you can see this has done its magic. You might be able to see these zigzag lines, so that's where it has performed cuts, and it has just resized every track or the entire track according to this size or the length of my sequence. So let's hear it out how it sounds. Alright, so this sounds really amazing. So now let me show you how it works with a smaller clip or clip which is a little small, and let's find out. So let me just delete this one and let's find this second track, and this is I think 30-second long. So let me just make it cut, or let me cut it something like this. Okay, suppose we have this much of track, and let's perform this magic on this. So let's select the remix tool and click and expand it something like over here, and again it's going to do the analysis over here, and it's done. And you can see over here it has done or performed its cut. One is over here and one is over here. All right, so let's play it. Let's hear it from the cut, and I didn't notice anything wrong with this clip. So it has perfectly made a cut over here, and let's find out over here. Oh wow, this has done amazing job. And if you want to customize it somehow, if it doesn't perform properly, then you can come over here on the duration panel in the essential sounds panel, and over here you will see remix, stretch, and you can even manually type your duration. So if you want it a little bit longer, let's say 422.21 frame. All right, and if you come over here, you can see it has been expanded very fast. Okay, and if you come over here again, let me select this one first. Okay, and this has the option to customize it. So suppose if it doesn't work properly, so you have these option to add the segments. So segments are the zigzag lines or these cuts which it has performed. So if you increase it, so it's going to increase those cuts. You can see now it has 4 cut, 1 2 3 3 cuts, and if I decrease it, and sometimes it doesn't make any changes in the zigzag lines. So at this moment it doesn't feel that it should just increase or decrease the size, so that's just fine. And we have the option of variations, so it's going to give you some different result based on the beats available on the track. Right, so you can increase these variations, okay, and you can hear this out. If your music track has some variations, then it might perform. All right, so you can increase or decrease it, but I found out that by default it works best. And if you select the stretch from here, you can type in new duration. So let me just make it like 10 second 21 frame, and you can see it has just reduced its length and it has done it. Good job. So you can see it has given you something different, because if we select over here, so we have less segments and variations. Okay, so if you just adjust all of these from the customize, you can experiment with this customize option right over here and get the desired look. So what I can say finally, that this tool is really amazing. It works most of the time, and it hardly any thing which I have recently noticed, because I have used it a little bit and I didn't notice any problem. So kudos to the Adobe. It has done a very good job. It has introduced this tool. This was very important for the filmmakers, those who make the travel videos, or for those who make the vlogs. So it's very amazing. If you haven't tried it, go ahead, update your Premiere Pro and use it. And if you want to learn how to auto reframe your sequence, so if you have a video in the horizontal format like 16:9 for the YouTube, and if you want to convert that for the reels or the shorts on YouTube Shorts or for the TikTok purpose, then Adobe has one tool which does everything automatically for you. And if you want to learn that, click on the link which is on the screen right now, or the link is also in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.